Benvenuti! Welcome to Italian for Beginners. I'm your Italian teacher Sara, and in today's lesson, we will learn about the common Italian phrases you can use in your daily routine and speak like a native Italian speaker. So let's begin. Iniziamo! Our first phrase is Dove posso trovare un bancomat? Dove posso trovare un bancomat? Dove, where, posso, can. Trovare, find, an bancomat, ATM. Bancomat means in Italian ATM and trovare means find. Dove posso trovare un bancomat? Where can I find an ATM? Repeat after me if you want. Dove posso trovare un bancomat? ATM. Remember this phrase, bancomat, ATM. Next phrase is, posso avere il conto? Posso avere il conto? Can I have the bill? Per favore, please. Posso means can I, and avere means have, il conto, the bill. Per favore, please. Repeat after me if you want. Posso avere il conto, per favore? Can I have the bill, please? If you want to repeat this, then pause the video and repeat it for 1 or 2 or 3 times. Then you will remember it easily, okay? Posso avere il conto, per favore? Can I have the bill, please? I upload every day a short video of 5 or 2 or 3 minutes so you can practice your Italian with me daily for short time. Learning Italian in short time is the most fun and easiest way to learn Italian faster. Now let's move on to our next phrase. Our next phrase is, posso pagare con carta di credito? Posso, can I? Remember this? Posso, can I? Pagare, pay. Con, with. Carta means in English card. Di credito, credit. Credit card means carta di credito. Okay, now let's move on to our next phrase. Next one is, this one is simple one and the short one. Make sure you remember this today. Che ore sono? What time is it? You can ask your friend or you can ask your colleague, what time is it? Che ore sono? What time is it? Repeat after me if you want. Che ore sono? Che means what? Ore, time. Sono, is it? Che ore sono? What time is it? Next one is, mi sono perso for the masculine one and mi sono persa for the feminine one. I am lost. If you are new in Italian and you get lost, you can ask someone or tell someone, mi sono perso, I am lost. Mi sono persa for the feminine one and perso for the masculine one. Remember this difference. Perso for the masculine one and persa for the feminine one. Next phrase is, mi piace fare shopping. I like shopping. Mi piace. I like fare shopping. Shopping. Mi piace. I like fare shopping. Shopping. Okay, repeat after me if you want. Mi piace fare shopping. And we go like this. Mi piace. I like fare shopping. Shopping. Next one is, mi piace andare al cinema con amici. Mi piace. I like andare, going to, al cinema, the movies, con, with, miei amici, my friends. Amici, friends. Miei amici, my friends, okay? Mi piace andare al cinema con i miei amici. I like going to movies with my friends. Cinema, movies, and mi piace, I like, andare, going to. Repeat after me if you want. Mi piace andare al cinema con i miei amici. Miei amici, my friends. Again, I upload a short video every day so you can practice your Italian with me every day in your daily routine. And you can practice these phrases in your daily routine and speak like a native Italian speaker. If you want to learn Italian faster, you all need to practice your Italian every day. And if you're a beginner to Italian, then you will love this channel. And my channel name is Language with Sara. Thank you for watching. Ciao, press.